Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Rotary Jeweling Pad. Obviously, as the name suggests, it is for rotary machines, so I'm going to try it on a rotary. And yeah, basically that's it. As I said, it's the 6 inches version. We will see how it works. Let's roll.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, done with my own doubts.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail Rotary Jeweling Pad. It was very good to work with. What I can show you though, it doesn't like my pad cleaner because these little peaks were eroded in it. One more important thing to mention, it was so easy to use the DIY Detail 6 inches cordless rotary polisher with it. I couldn't even feel sometimes that it's in my hand. It was so easy to use with. It was easy to control with this pad. So it's a really good one. I can hands-on heart recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.